Hello guys, I'm Shan, and then this is the version 2 of Western website. Now the server part is deployed, so you don't really need to start a server now. But if you want to see how the server is constructed, um, you can just click on here and go to the server.py, and this is all of the files you need. All of the code is here, and then SQL script is still here. This is the MySQL scripts. And then for the front end, just go to the front end and click on Western, source, and components. Basically, all the files are here. Home, create post, they're all here. For now, I mean, this front end is also deployed. It's here. It's here like this. But the problem is you cannot use the login feature because Google needs to verify the app for public usage, which takes some time. It takes some like few weeks, and I also need to add a public terms of service somewhere to make it count, to make it work, verifiable. But we can just check how it works right now in the local host. Just to run. Wait, hold on. npm run start to start it. I also updated in README about how to. There are some minor issues when you start the app locally, so make sure to check it out. And yeah, but definitely let me know if you cannot start the app. So now you can log in here. So this is what's supposed to happen, and you'll be redirected to a user profile page, which will display all of the posts you have created. So technically, now every post has designated user. Like if you are a different user and you create a new post, then the post will have your name on it, and you can click on each post to see a better detail page, detail post. Wait, but it's not working here. So, but it should be working here. Yeah, you can click on the pin board, and then you can close it. Right? You can have a better view, detailed view of what's going. But I don't know what's going on here. This is blank, and there's a mini homepage here. I don't know why. So this is something I need to fix. We need to fix about the bugs. This is a little bit bugs here, and it goes to search, right? This was the old function, and we also added the header. You can click on the home page to go to the home, and there's also another home page. Profiles, go to all the profiles, users. So if you have logged in, it's going to be in the backend. Speaking of backend, we deployed the backend, so you can access the backend directly from here. And this is the public IP address of the backend. We'll go to like user up this. Then these are all the users. Once you have logged in, you can just gonna write down your names. And there's another feature that's pretty important. So when you want to create posts, you need to log in first. It's going to redirect you to the login page. So now let's log in. Right. So it has a disadvantage where it doesn't store your local item, local storage. So you have to log in every time. Yeah, we can optimize that later. And also, you can delete the post if you want. You can delete. Okay, let's click on the pin board. Now you see there are no one less pin. Another important feature. Oh my God, I need to log in again because I kind of I don't know why I was doing that. We need to have like a cookie or something to have the local storage, and then click on the create a post. So we have the AI recommendation implemented. All right, let's say I'm in Germany, right? And I love eating bread. So now, instead of clicking submit, you can click on AI recommendation. You can see if it's working. So it's gonna take some time because GPT is gonna type. Okay, it's working. It's not that pretty though, because it just function, but we implemented the functions. All right, so now you can get the AI recommendation while creating the post. It's all based on ChatGPT though. ChatGPT is 3.5. 4 is not there because we need to apply for the API. Like we need to wait for it, and it's gonna take some time. I applied for it as soon as it came out, but I'm not very impactful developer, so just gonna wait. But yeah, GPT 3.5 is enough, I think. Yeah. Also, if you really want to look at the backend, you still can run localhost by running the server.py. And I added some instructions on how to access the remote server as well. But if you make sure don't mess with the remote server, otherwise it's gonna break. Very easy, and it's kind of complicated to set up. But if you just want to like run it, it's easy. Just go run this in terminal and then go to the virtual machine or whatever. It's the remote computer, and then you're gonna make sure you activate the van directory, and then you just run the server.py. If it doesn't run, you can also try the installation again, installing all of the whatever. It's all there, I think. Yeah, you just gotta install the requirements.txt file again, and then you should be fine. After that, if you terminate the server, you want to run this to start again, to reboot it, so that you even if you quit the terminal, it's not gonna end the server. And these are all of the secrets, credentials, whatever. You can use them to log into the remote server. Yeah, that's pretty much it.